ask everybody now to join me in welcoming Christopher Chong, president of SST Wireless. SST Wireless has removed the barriers to IoT adoption by developing a robust line of industrial-grade wireless plug-and-play sensors and gateways, pressure, high temperature, vibration, humidity. That is affordable or available as a subscription. Sensors and gateways are installed and configured by anyone using a smartphone. The sensor data is automatically hosted by SST's ECM-cloud platform, where data is aggregated and trainable events are captured and compared to accelerate time to analytics and machine learning. Please join me in welcoming Christopher.
Thank you, George. Hi, everyone. My name is Christopher, and I'm going to take a little bit different tact here in terms of talking about something you may not be familiar with, which is called Industry 4.0, or the Industrial Revolution. It's a massive event that's going on that is really not being noticed, but there is a fundamental challenge that we're trying to address. What we're trying to do is deliver a technology for everyone. We call it Industrial IoT for everyone. So let me just get into my slide here. So when you look at what's going on in the marketplace, seems like everyone is doing something with data, analytics, machine learning, and it's happening across the board. But the reality is that unless you're a large enterprise customer or a company with the resources, it's not happening. In fact, less than 10% of small, medium-sized enterprise that are in the industrial sector are engaged at all. Even earlier this year, the World Economic Forum issued a paper looking for changes to solve this problem. And keep in mind, when I say these small and medium-sized enterprises, they represent 98% of the US industrial marketplace. So why is that? So first thing you look at on the screen is that mess of cables and connectors. That's what a traditional industrial system looks like for monitoring equipment. It's complicated, it's very expensive, and even if they were to spend the money and get everything together and set up, it might take a company months, if not years, to gather enough data to actually do the analytics. And this is the stuff that people don't talk about. So what we have done over the last 5 years is systematically addressed every one of these issues. The first one is, make it simple. Our sensors are basically designed to be installed by anyone with a phone with NFC. We made the pricing very simple. You don't have to go and spend a lot of money. You can go on a subscription basis for the services and also for the hardware, the gateways and sensors and so on. And the third part is we built a very robust platform, AWS, that will do all this for you. So it's basically a turnkey system for anybody to engage. Here's the thing, anybody can monitor equipment like this. You can do all kinds of graphs, but the secret is being able to identify key events that are particularly important for machine learning. And what we do is we aggregate this amongst our clients so they all learn faster and therefore reduce the time to analytics. And this is what it's all about. The market is huge, $19 billion. The wireless sector is also large. What we have shown is that we have demonstrated that each one of these verticals or use cases that we have gone after, we've gained traction, customers, and we're actually just starting to scale up right now. Industrial is different from consumers, where in the sense that you have to earn your trust and you have your credibility before they'll trust you. Because it's not like an inconvenience when something fails. In an industrial setting, if something fails, it could be quite catastrophic. So we started off working with OEMs where we integrate our technologies into their machines and vehicles to create the validation and also some scale so we can manufacture more and most cost effectively. Last several years, we worked with enterprise customers to show credibility. People like Walt Disney World are using our sensors on some of the amusement rides to keep people safe. And the third and final stage of what we've been building is how do we solve the problems for small and medium-sized companies that are really in need of solutions out there. Our team is small. It's around 11 people with a few part-time consultants, but we're growing quickly. COVID has obviously had an impact to our business, but we're looking to emerge out of that in 2021 and go back to what our projected growth should be. Here's why I'm excited. We have developed a series of technologies, so sensors and gateways that are ready for market. People are now using them. I think this will allow us to go into a company, cross-sell, upsell. And the whole point, guys, I want you to remember, each one of these sensors generates data, and that's what we're truly after. We have a growing list of marquee customers that are basically standing behind us saying, our technology really makes a difference for them. We have the platform that's been built. I'd love to show you guys how it works in the breakout session if you like, and lots of interesting projects going forward that we're really excited about. And so this really looks great for us as a company. We're doing a 1.75 million Series A. We have a lead investor, which is called Momenta Ventures. We also see some angel groups like Swan, Keiretsu, and Tech Coast Angels have also invested, along with a number of notable angel investors, mostly in the Seattle area. We're getting a pretty good amount of press coverage. People are seeing the technologies and solutions that we offer, and we'd be more than happy to share with you some of these things to follow. And in summary, if you're interested in what we're doing and seeing how the industrial IoT world is going to change everything that we think about as what the internet is about, join me in the breakout session. I'll talk to you more about it. This is our facilities near Vancouver, British Columbia. Just to let you know, we actually design, engineer, and manufacture our own products. Thank you very much.